guys, Critical Impact here, and we're gonna be playing White Noise. Okay, let's get into this game. I played it a couple of times. This video is gonna be about 5 to 6 minutes long, so sorry if I get cut off. I'm just gonna hit random. It's basically like Slenderman, and yeah, it's basically like Slenderman and all. You're trying to find 8 tapes. And there's a guy trying to stop you. After you find the tape, he kills you, basically. So let's find this tape. I'm just gonna go fast. I really hate that sound. You guys probably can't hear it. There's noise. I don't like it. What's there? I think a tape is over here. I think there's a tape over here. Oh my gosh, there's a house. Perfect. Perfect for me to die. Hey, let's go in this house. Abandoned house. Nothing in it. Ready for me to die. Okay. I really don't like this. Really don't like it at all. Hello? Nothing there. Yeah, I don't know where that piece is. Sorry to break it to you. I don't have that much time. I will say my goodbyes around 5 minutes, because it's probably going to end out of nowhere at that time. I don't like that. No thank you. Please no. No thank you. I'm fine. I don't want any. Thanks for the offer though. But no. No thank you. It should be somewhere around here. I'm scared. Yeah, sorry for the... Oh no. I'm not going in there. Okay, I'm going in there. Apparently. If I die, it's all your fault. Hello? Hello? I don't like this. I'm gonna go that way. And never mind. It's blocked off. I'm gonna go over there. I'm scared. Somebody help me. Oh yeah, this game is free on Xbox 360. Um, it's an indie game. I don't like that noise. Please stop. What is that? What is that? That doesn't look nice. It's got little titties. I don't like that, so. Oh, I found a tape. Woohoo! I don't like that sound, but I got a tape. I'm scared. Around when you get a tape, he starts to come. So I'm probably gonna die. I am gonna die. She's gonna pop up out of nowhere and kill me. It's really not that scary. But the surroundings are. This is good quality. Well, for me it is. Good graphics. Looks nice. The sky is the same always. And all. This video. No, 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 thank you. Please, no, no. I'm fine. I'm fine. What was I saying? I forgot. Yeah, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die, or yeah, it's about time I end this video. So, well, that was white noise, and it's my time to say goodbye. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!